Hello friends, my name is Ikshans and welcome to CAD Academy. In this lecture I'm going to teach you general formulas for gradient, divergence and curl. So the first thing we need to know is the differential length for all coordinate systems. So the differential length in XYZ coordinate, we have dl as dx x cap plus dy y cap plus dz z cap. Okay, in Cartesian coordinate we have dl as d rho cap plus rho d phi cap plus dz z cap. Okay, and in spherical coordinate system we have r theta phi. Okay, so differential length here is equal to dr r cap plus r d theta cap plus r sin theta d phi and phi cap. Okay, so the coefficient of dx dy dz here, dr d phi dz and dr d theta and d phi, so coefficient of these things we will call it as h. Okay, so here this is h1. Okay, here we have h1, here we have h2, and coefficient of these three we call it as h3. Okay, so here h2 is 1, h3 is 1. Okay, so 1, and this is the h2 in cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, this is 1 h3, this is the h3. Okay, this is h2 and 1 h1 in spherical coordinate systems, and these directions we will call it as u cap, v cap, and this is w. Okay, so x y z in Cartesian coordinate, r phi z in cylindrical coordinate, and r theta phi in spherical coordinate system. Okay, so this is u v w, u v w, u v w, like that. Okay, so this is the thing which you have to learn to apply the general formula. So let's start writing general formula for gradient. So for gradient you have to divide by coefficient of u, which is h1. Okay, this is the coefficient of u. Okay, so h1 and by u. Okay, so field को differentiate by u plus divide by coefficient of v, which is h2. Okay, divide by coefficient of v and differentiate with respect to v, differentiate the field with respect to v. Similarly 1 by, so you have to divide by coefficient of w, so you have to divide by coefficient of w, which is h3, and differentiate with respect to w. Okay, so this is the field. Where dot product or cross product is done, there we need a vector field. Okay, and this is a scalar field. So let's move to the divergence formula. So in divergence formula you have to divide by all, and differentiate with respect to u first, then write coefficient of the v and w. Okay, coefficient of, not u, you have to write the coefficient of dv and dw, which is h2 h3, and as this field is vector field, so you have to write fu, because this f has some component in u direction, in v direction, and in w directions also. Okay, then you have to add, differentiate with respect to v, write the coefficient of u and w. You don't have to write the coefficient of v. Okay, then write f of v. Okay, then add. Now you have to differentiate with respect to w, and don't write h3. Okay, because h3 is the coefficient of w. So this is the formula of divergence. And the last thing which is left is curl. So divide by all. So make a matrix here which is of 3 by 3. Okay, then this is u cap, right here v cap, here w cap. Okay, then write d by du, d by dv, d by dw. Then write fu, fv, fw. Okay, and then you have to multiply the coefficient here, h1 h2 h3, h1 h2 h3. That's it. This is the formula for curl.